In this video, I'm going to teach you how to get your own Chat GPT. So what you do, you first go to Google. Just go to google.com. So if you're in google.com, you just come here and type OpenAI or Chat GPT, sorry, just say Chat GPT. Yep, click enter. So you see chat OpenAI, you see chat.openai.com, so you just click it. Yeah, so at first this is what you are going to see. So for you to get started, you just click on sign up. That is, you want to create your account, or if you already have an account, you can just click on login. So now as a beginner, you just click sign up. Then you come here to show you enter your email address, or you use Gmail. Yeah, you just use your Gmail to log in. So me, I've already have my account, so I'll just continue with Gmail. Continue. So here it is. I'm into the Chat GPT now. So this is how the interface looks like. You have here, which is your history, any chat you have done previously. Then here is where you can ask it anything you want to ask it. These are some examples: plan a tour,